All right, guys, I just want to do a quick review on my Zulay black milk frother. First of all, look at the presentation on this one. Looks really, really clean. Look at just the inside. Like makes it look real fancy. I liked it. But let's actually check out the device. Little stand so you can put it on. And then the actual device itself, which I did already put batteries. And then here's a power button. Oh yeah, it's got some power. So I know it's milk frother. I'm gonna put it in my protein drink because sometime in the morning I just wanna make something quick. So let's see how that does. All right, so we'll throw our milk in here, throw a scoop of some protein. That's really all I needed to do, but let's see how it does. A little bit of milk in there. Probably water it down with some water in a second. Some first one. All right. Let's try it out. Whoa. Yo, this thing is legit. Wow. That is freaking awesome. Honestly, the best milk frother I think I've ever seen. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Highly recommend, 10 out of 10.